But I remember him having a comment, I've been asked to do this thing, it's kind of like a Father Trendy character, and and they're good guys, they're good writers, and it's Channel 4, you know. But really simply he said, but it's only an acting thing, you know. Because really Dermot was most interested in the writing, in the creation of something, in the concept of something, you know what I mean? He wanted to be the one who would, if I was to guess what he would have liked most to do on foot of the success of Father Ted, it's to create his own comedy series. So he had this thing, I mean, he was always going to do it, I think, because he liked the guys and because it was Channel 4 and it was clearly a really good opportunity. But it was a thing for him that it was, quote, only an acting job.
I remember him bringing me in to show me the very first episode of the Craggy Island saga, and it was the one where the nurse went to get the kid who was trapped and was herself trapped in the cave of goats. And I saw 15 minutes of it, less, and I turned around and I went, Dermot, this is Steptone's son. This is the one that will define this decade. And he went, oh, come on. And I went, honestly, that's what you've got here. And I think it took him a while to realise that was what he'd got here, that, you know, that was a decade-defining TV series, and there's no doubt that it was.